Any user can delete a person, company, job or project within your JustRecruit account. You can do this in two different ways. The first one is to click the trash can icon next to any record within JustRecruit. The alternative way is to go into the record and you're able to click Move to Trash on the left-hand side. As an admin user, you can undo any deleted items if this is required. You may want to do this if someone accidentally deletes a record. So if you are logged in as an admin, you will see the cog in the top right-hand corner and move to Trash Can. Once you're in your trash can, you can click the Undo button to undo a deleted record. You can permanently delete a record by clicking the X on the right-hand side. There is an option to delete everything from the trash can. Just select Empty Trash on the left-hand side, and this will permanently delete everything. Please note that anything deleted from the trash can is gone forever and you will not be able to retrieve it. When you delete a record from the trash, the record itself is removed. However, reference data is retained for historic activity tracking and reporting. For example, you may have deleted a candidate on a long list that has an interview or a placement logged against them. You would still want to record that the activity had happened, however, it will just note that the person has been deleted. All default personal information is completely removed when a record is deleted to adhere with GDPR regulations with regards to request for information removals. For custom data, any field that has been marked as personal data will be deleted. Anything else will be retained for data exports.